Ejector-based heat exchanger filter for flue gas pollutant removal. The content of nitrogen and carbon oxides produced by the combustion of solid or liquid fuels in the source flue gases is a serious environmental threat. Flue gas cleaning is still an urgent problem that needs a solution. Because of our development, it is possible to offer a flue gas cleaning device for sulfur, nitrogen and carbon oxides. The study was conducted to explore one of the potential methods to purify exhaust gases from dangerous chemical compounds and to prove the efficiency of the study method. The study was based partly on experimental modeling of the device and using data from it, a mathematical model for the general solution. The study was conducted between 2014 and 2017 at the National Academy of Food Technology Faculty of Refrigerating Machines Plant and Air Conditioning in Odessa, Ukraine. An experimental unit was built in the laboratory to conduct a set of experiments with measurements of temperature, pressure and speed of flow of specially prepared air mixed with added pollutants. The results of the study demonstrate that the proposed flue gas purification device effectively reduces the concentrations of harmful pollutants such as sulfur oxides SOx, nitrogen oxides NOx, and carbon monoxide CO in flue gases. Moreover, the temperature drop of the air mix flow that lies within the estimated boundaries was calculated. That leads to a drop of condensing pollutant from the airflow and accumulating in a special gathering chamber and leads to a purifying rate of 70 to 80%. In conclusion, the results indicate that the proposed device represents a significant improvement in the field of flue gas purification. Using a created heat exchanger filter, it is possible to clear flue gases from almost all polluting factors. In the initial boiler operating modes, when the highest amount of carcinogens is released, the filter can be used to condense them. When the boiler enters the basic operating mode and the carcinogens decompose from high temperature into simple, non-harmful components, oxides become the main problem in the flue gas, which can also be cleaned with our ejector filter. Future work will focus on refining the system to further enhance its efficiency and explore its scalability for larger industrial applications. Introduction. Over the past few decades, rapid population growth and industrial development have greatly increased the demand for energy. Most of this energy comes from burning fossil fuels, which releases harmful gases, known as flue gases, into the air. These gases include carbon dioxide, nitrogen compounds, and other pollutants. When these gases mix with water vapor, they form acids that damage human health, forests, and crops. In addition, they contribute to global warming and climate change. As industries and economies continue to grow, the harmful effects of flue gases on the environment and public health have become more serious. Cleaning these gases before they are released into the atmosphere remains a major challenge. However, with technological advances, new devices are being developed to remove dangerous components such as sulfur, nitrogen, and carbon oxides from flue gases, helping to reduce pollution and protect the environment. Conclusion. Using a heat exchanger filter we have created, it is possible to clear flue gases from almost all polluting factors. In the initial boiler operating modes, when the highest number of carcinogens is released, the filter can be used to condense them. Kogut et al., 2020. When the boiler enters the basic operating mode and the carcinogens decompose from high temperature into simple, non-harmful components, oxides become the main problem in the flue gas, which can also be cleaned with our ejector filter. This important article is authored by the following scientists. you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.